Are you bored with your dinner recipes? Do you need some new ideas? If you are in a cooking rut, then this channel is for you. I'm cooking real food for a real family. I show you my mistakes and my messiness. Most of it anyway. I'm not willing to show you the other side of the sink in most of my shots. I've been lucky enough to travel to over 15 countries. Thailand, Italy, Mexico, France, and I've eaten a lot of delicious food. So when I want to make something that I've eaten I really loved, I'll go home and I'll look for as many recipes as I can find on that particular food. And there's usually something in the dish that I've identified that's unique to that dish. And so I'll look for recipes that have that ingredient, and then I will compile my own version of that recipe. Now, after 20 years of doing this, I have a very large collection of recipes. If you want some new recipes to spice up your collection, then check out my channel.